What's up? What's up? This your boy Ben R, man. We on the pulpit. Got a very important guest with me, Mr. Pastor Wood. First of all, how you feeling today, man?
I'm doing good, Doc. How about you, Al?
I'm all right. I'm cool. We here at Coop's Hoop, off the Heezy Basketball League, 5-on-5. How you think the events be turning out?
I think they be turning out good. Coop likes to do a lot of community work. He reaches out into our community. Like today, he's giving candy out to the kids. That's what it's all about. Community outreach. That's what you should be doing.
Yeah.
We need to uplift and not tear down in our community today.
Oh, that was about to be my next question. I was just about to ask you, how have this event right here changed the community and whatnot? I was just about to ask you that, but you already kind of took it away.
And then I say this too. One of the young men that played in the one-on-one league last time Coop did an event, he came to church this morning. Came to our 11 o'clock service, stayed in the service, and looked like he enjoyed himself. So it's outreaching where it's bringing people back to Christ.
Yeah. And how that make you feel as a pastor, and just how that make you feel overall?
It made me feel good. It makes me feel good because it's other ways of reaching our community other than just standing in the pulpit. We also got to get outside of the four walls. We also got to know that sports will also bring people to the church. And when they come in, they're going to come in and see us standing and see us delivering the word, see us giving what God has already ordained us to give, and they'll want to stay. They'll want to stay because they'll see God working through us and our light shining. And that's what it's all about.
That is what it's all about. That's one more final question. Who you feel like today gonna get MVP of the game?
It's hard to say, man. We got so much great talent out here. It's hard to say. But I might say Randy Macho Man Savage. Cause Randy been doing his thing for the last 3 events. And he been busting them. So it's between Randy or my man Ja that just came from overseas. He got some talent, I must say. I didn't see him play.
Talking about light skin dude right there.
Yeah,
I
no.
just interviewed him. That's good. I just interviewed him. That's
So
good.
it's gonna be
gonna be a good
fun.
one day.
It's gonna be a good one.
day.
It's an all-star presentation, I must say.
Yeah, man. Well, we out here, man. Cool. Yeah, what's the name of the church and location?
Name of the church is Jesus Church of Deliverance, Family Life Center. We're 5246 Jones Lane, Chesapeake, Virginia, 23320. Our services start at 11. We'll get you home by 12:45 so you can catch your game or catch whatever you need to do. So come on in, join in with us.
Gotcha.